question number one, Steve. What has been your best investment?
All right. So my best one was my first property. So I bought a little house in Blacktown, which is just another suburb next to where I grew up in Wentworthville. Very low socioeconomic, but it was 230 grand. Like that was it. And this is in 2012. So it was my first one. It was all I could afford. I was like just out of university as an engineer and could just afford that. Got into the market. The reason why it was the best one for me was firstly, I got into the market quickly. So like markets grow long term. So like that was the springboard and the seed that let me kind of grow my whole portfolio because it went up from 230 to about 300 grand in the first year and a half. And I was just like, bloody hell, like that's like 5 years worth of working on the salary I'm on. And I've just made it from signing a piece of paper. So it was the big light bulb moment for me. It was just like got in early, stuck to the fundamentals, had a good outcome. And then that's where I've based my whole portfolio on.
And Steve, do you still have that property?
I actually still got it. I'm actually in the start. I probably should get rid of it. It's done its cycle. It's probably at the end of its cycle for now. But again, that nostalgia one, I like that. I'll probably keep it forever if I'm honest. I just like the sentiment of that's where it all started.